Good morning, everybody. I am just about ready to walk out the door and head to the gym. But before I head out, I do want to show you guys my new rental car. As most of you know by now, I was recently in a car accident and I'm pretty sure my car was totaled. So right now I am driving a rental car. It is a Hyundai Veloster. Honestly, it's a pretty cute car. It reminds me of the red car emoji. The interior of the car is very nice as well. I do really like this car and maybe it will be a contender. I just got to the gym, so let's get in a good workout. Just got done with my workout. It was really good. I feel strong. I'm about to drive home and this might sound lame to some people, but I'm actually really proud of myself for driving so quickly after the car accident. If you've been watching my channel for a while, then you would know that I have a bit of anxiety while driving. I don't particularly like it and I was really nervous to start driving again after the crash, but pretty proud of myself that I got up on the saddle, as they would say, and I'm doing it. Let's head home. I have some fun things planned for the rest of the day that I want to bring you all along with me for. I just got home and Luna is looking a little crazy. As all of you know from a few videos ago, I have been struggling with my mental health, but I have been doing a lot better, so I just wanted to share with you all a few things that have been helping me. This might sound a little crazy, but if you're watching this video right now, I want you to take a second and just close your eyes and think of a time or a few different times in your life where you felt so much joy and you felt a lot of happiness, and hold on to that feeling. What was that feeling for you? For me, the first thing that comes to my mind was being in the ocean, because I just love being at the beach. I love being in the water. It's where I feel at peace and really happy. I also thought of gymnastics, and of course I also thought of flying and working as a flight attendant. I also thought of smaller things as well. I think of all the times that I laugh with Eric in the kitchen while we're cooking dinner. I think of all the times that I get to watch this one catch her frisbee. I think what's really helped me lately is trying to hold on to those really good and happy feelings and bring them into the smaller everyday activities of my life. Trying to find passion and purpose even in the small things. And I know this might all sound pretty cheesy, but it's been really helping me lately, and I really hope that it can help all of you. Eric and I do need to go to the mall because we have a very small holiday get-together this weekend that we're going to, and I need a dress. But before we head to the mall, I wanted to talk to you guys about a class that I took through Skillshare that ties in really well to what we were just talking about. Skillshare is an online community filled with thousands of classes that vary from topics such as gift wrapping, which is perfect for the holidays, all the way to finance. So whatever you're passionate about, you'll be able to find classes that best suit you. I took the class Choose Must, 10 hands-on exercises to find and pursue your passions, taught by Luna. She describes should as what we feel that society thinks we should do and what our friends, family, like other people on the outside of our lives think that we should do. And our must is our calling. It's what we feel like we must do in order to follow our passions and really fulfill our creativity. Especially this holiday season, there is no greater gift to ourselves than the gift of knowledge. So I wanted to let you all know that the first 1,000 of my subscribers who click the link in my description below will receive a free trial to Skillshare's premium membership, which is less than $10 a month with their annual membership. I really enjoy Skillshare and I hope you all do too. I can't thank them enough for sponsoring this video, and now let's go shopping. We just got to the mall and I want to go ice skating. But Eric told me that I should probably wait on the ice skating because I did just get in a car accident, so I need to be careful. But first store we are going into is Nordstrom Rack to try to find a holiday dress. All right, you guys, I have never seen this before. Look, it is a dress that also has a mask built into it. That is awesome. Eric told me this dress looks like I'm wearing a $60 burlap sack. I will admit, it's a little bit too big on me. This is option 2. I like this dress a lot better. I think this one's cute. It has some ruffles right here, and I like how it's red, so it's very festive for the holidays. All right, and this definitely looks more like pajamas than like a formal dress, in my opinion. I was looking for like a cute sweater dress, and I just feel like all the ones I'm finding just are not fitting me right. I loved that red dress, but I do want to go to Windsor, which is where I got the dress for Eric's sister's wedding that a lot of you did compliment me on. So I want to check out there as well, but I think right now we're gonna head up to the food court and grab something to eat and then continue shopping. Eric got a Philly cheesesteak for lunch. First time I ever had a Philly cheesesteak was when Eric and I took a trip to Philadelphia for his cousin's wedding, and it was really good. He's saying that you can't get that quality anywhere else. First bite. How is it?
Yeah, it's good.
Good? As good as Philly? No. Before we go to Windsor though, we're gonna stop at my favorite store to get some new books. You guys all know that I love murder, mystery, and thriller books, but I maybe want to venture out and try something new. What's your favorite type of book to read? I do love young adult series. Like, I loved The Hunger Games, Harry Potter, and all of that. And John Green is also one of my favorite authors, so we'll check some of these out. I'm honestly not having much luck today at Windsor. A lot of these dresses are beautiful, but I really feel like most of them are meant more for New Year's because they're super like flashy and sparkly, and I think some of them might be a little bit too formal. We're about to start cooking a dish for our little get-together tonight, but real quick, I did want to show you guys some of the books that I've been reading and the ones that I got from Barnes & Noble. I literally just finished this book, Where the Crawdads Sing, last night. I will admit, it took me forever to get through. The first half is a little rough and, in my opinion, quite boring, but then once you can get past that, the last half is like a completely different book. It is so good. It's about love and growing up and fending for yourself. It's a very unique book, and it's nothing like anything else that I've ever read before. This book is called Everything is Figure-Outable. It's by a lady named Marie Forleo, and this was actually sent to me by one of my subscribers, so thank you, Erica. I'm really excited to start reading this. And then I got 2 books from Barnes & Noble yesterday. The first one is called One Day in December. It's a love story. It looked really cute. I wanted something fun and easy to read, so I picked this one up, and I'll let you guys know how that is once I start. And then, of course, I had to get a suspense thriller book. You all know me. So I got a book called The Guest List by Lucy Foley, and it says you'd kill to be on it. So we will see. The back of the book says, the bride, the plus one, the best man, the wedding planner, the bridesmaid, all have a secret, all have a motive, only one is a murderer. So this definitely seems like my kind of book, but now Eric and I really need to start cooking. We are about to make potatoes au gratin. We have all of the ingredients ready to go, and we have this awesome new mandolin from my mom that was supposed to be a Christmas gift, but we accidentally opened it early, and we're gonna use that to slice up the potatoes.
Got some salt and some nutmeg in there. And the potatoes.
I just finished my hair and makeup for the party. I just need to throw my dress on, but I have not gotten ready like this in such a long time. Feels really fun to get all dolled up again. See if you guys can see my eyeshadow. I did some red with sparkles, and then I tried to do like a smoky eye, but it ended up looking more purple than I had wanted. But I do have some red lipstick on, which I haven't worn since I was a flight attendant. Okay, so this is the whole getup, and I must say, I think I cleaned up nicely. Originally, I thought that it would be pretty to wear my hair back, like in a ponytail like this, but then I realized somehow within a day, I got a stain on the dress right there. So I'm just gonna wear my hair down and pull it over the stain, and hopefully no one will notice. So I think I'm going to conclude this vlog here, but thank you everyone so much for watching and for continuing to support me and my channel. It truly does mean the world to me. Make sure you check out that Skillshare link in the description box below. I hope that you all are staying healthy and safe wherever in the world that you are, and I'll see you next time. Bye.